Today's episode, we're going to talk about like new skills. You just can't have the same skills all the time. You have to try some new things in order to have an advantage when you're playing pickleball, just like business.
Right, so if you've been going to trade shows, if you've been making cold calls, if you've been doing the same things you've been doing all along, they're probably not working the same way they used to, and you gotta learn some new things. You gotta learn more digital, you gotta learn how to enhance the customer experience, you gotta learn how to deliver a sales experience that is truly remarkable.
It's so true. In pickleball, it's the same thing. If you just come from tennis and you're starting pickleball and you're doing that same old long forehand over and over again, an experienced pickleball player is going to eat your lunch. You got to try some new shots like the third shot drop or some kind of overhead smash so that you can add to your repertoire and have a more well-rounded program, just like in business.
Right, so we're going to show you how a new skill like the third shot drop, which is a different shot in pickleball than you have in tennis, will give you some enhanced repertoire in your pickleball game.
Just like in pickleball, you got to try some new shots in business as well. We're going to show you a couple of long shots, but then we're going to show you a new shot called the third shot drop that'll help you be more effective against your opponent. Here's how it works. Oh!
And that's how you learn new skills in pickleball. That's how you learn new skills in business.